Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to change your device name on Windows 11 PC. At first, go to the Properties options from this PC. Now, you can see Device Specification and rename this PC options. Click Rename this PC and type your device name or PC name. After this, click on Next. Now, click on Restart. I restart later. After restart, we can see that our device name is changed. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.